again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery with an 8x8 by 2-inch canvas. I found 9 of these packed up in boxes when I cleaned up my studio for 2 hours today. And I just want to cheat. I want to use some Anita's White Metallic. And I wanted to do a staggered thing, but I think I'm just going to do what I do. And I wanted to use my pinks, which in this case we'll start with the remainder of my Pink Lady. Which is maybe not my favorite color, but makes everything else look awesome. So it's totally valuable. Those are going away now. I started my mixing procedure by using an ounce of Vivid Polypore in the bottom of one of these containers and then putting slightly less than half the color in to follow. And the next day, after I'd used some, I added some GAC 800 because I had some cracking. But I was doing blooms also. This is Claret. I want some gold, which is Egyptian coin at this point. I've got some leftover hot orchid and I'm going to use it. You can't get it, but I heard that, a rumor that you could make it with the jasmine color in the pigment powders. So you might want to ask about that, or at least check it out, because it's one of my favorites. It's not mixed to be shimmery. I'm going to top it off with pink diamond. I wish everything was in bottles, to tell you the truth. And I'm going to use, I might make a mess, but I'm going to use my Amsterdam white in Aussie Floetrol. That card is too wide, so I'm going to grab a less wide card. It's not impossible. I might be interested in using some purple, and I really could do that right now. And I might want some black, just because I forgot to put any of my favorite bonfire in there. But I really did want to see what this was going to look like, just with the white. And moving on, I'm going to use the purple. I did give us a fair amount of pressure to the card, because I wanted some paint to go over the edge. I'm scraping my residuals off, hoping for the best. The purple is a Dioxazine purple that's a Master's Touch from Hobby Lobby. Ooh, that's cool. The white cells came up from using the Anita's, which is very sheer. I don't know what this is going to look like. I'm just taking the residual that's on my card and pressing it against the edge. I'm using my card to pull any colors. might want to look at that. Ah, yes, I do. So I can take the paint that's on my tile, scoop it up with my card, and just press it against the edge and add some color to the deep edge sides. I think I'm going to have to do the black next. I could make it purple. I could make it purple and black. That's working pretty well, covering the edge, honestly. It's a little tricky to cheat like that. And I could definitely be running a skewer through. I think the last mark is going to be with white. Could be white and purple. I'm going to keep cheating and using that paint I just scraped up to go over the edge. Kind of like that. Let's see if I can find a skewer. Let's see if I want to put some... That looks like a spiral already. I like my spirals. Take advantage of the paint that's there already. Add a few marks. Got some beautiful cells. I meant to tip, but I don't need to because I do have GAC 800 and things. It's hard to get, but it's worth having. If you can afford to get it, get it. Use it. Use 25% overall to your whatever your pouring mixture is. That's pretty sweet. I should zoom in for you guys. I should do one of those with regular paint like I just did and then try and tip it. But I don't want to tip this one. Alright. You guys take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I'm going for the heart. I like hearts. A lot of people like hearts. So should I tell you, Colour Arte is got a promo code underneath the video for these beautiful colors. Thank you guys for watching, and thank you for the thumbs up. And check out the new collections at Colour Arte because they're awesome, and I'm looking forward to using them. Thank you for liking and sharing and watching longer, and also for watching the commercials when you do. Know that there's 2,300 videos, and if you have an interest, have an interest in watching any of them and you can't find them on playlists, all playlists, created playlists, when you go to my YouTube channel, then ask me because I have them all organized by topic and genre. Underneath the link tree, you'll find my email address if you should like to contact me in regard to purchasing an artwork or taking a lesson with me at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. Also down there below Show More, you're going to find my paint pouring recipes and my cell activator recipes. On the link tree, oh, I should say, please ask me questions if you've got them. Check my community board for tomorrow's video. I'm a little lost right now. My Amazon link is on the link tree, and if you shop there, it's at no extra cost to you, and it helps me out, and I really appreciate that. There is a monthly drawing. And there are paintings to be won by whoever is entered via donation through PayPal. The icon is on the bottom right hand corner of my YouTube channel banner, and also the link is on the link tree. And you'll receive an invitation to get into the drawing, and you can see the prizes at the beginning of the exhibition video. I'm sure I forgot something. All kinds of things are over there on this list. Spring clothing is underneath the video. On my link tree you can find pixels.com, Fine Art America, and La Galerist clothing made in Montreal, exclusive collectors type clothing. And what else? Okay. Well, I know there's lots of stuff on that link tree. Society 6. That's what I'm trying to remember. It's awesome. You should check it out. I just recently made it. So thank you for being here. I love you guys. You inspire the heck out of me. I hope you come again soon. I post 7 days a week. And in 2022, it's moving to noon. It may even go to 11:30. You can never tell. I think that's it. Whatever I forgot, you'll see in another video. Take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. That's it. And I love you. Bye for now. Priscilla out.